Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. And today we have a budget mic for you. We have the Tonor T30. Now, this mic is going for $43 on Amazon right now. I'll put that link down in the description below so you guys can click that, see the current price, see other people's reviews. And when it comes to reviews, this one, it has 4.5 stars out of like 13K reviews. So this is a really like hyped up mic right now for that budget price on Amazon. So we're going to test it out and see what it sounds like later in the video. If you want to skip to that, go to your timeline down below and just scan and you'll be able to find it. I have it chopped up in chapters. So what comes all with this mic? So when you open the box, you'll see that you'll have your mic and you'll have a pop filter. That's basically it, in a USB Type-C. You got the pop filter right here, and the pop filter, you know, nice, got the little logo on it, looking clean, nice little square shape to cover the whole mic. And then as you see, your mic is already put together. You don't have to worry about putting the legs on. None of that is put together. You're set and ready to go. And from there, you have your USB Type-C. And that's how you will connect the mic in the back. You'll plug that up, connect it to your computer, and you're ready to go. And it connects and it works with, you know, Linux, Windows, and Mac. So you'll be covered in all those bases. And then you'll have your pop filter that you connect, and it's so easy. All you do is just slide it on top, it pops in, and you're good to go. Now, one thing you would notice that it'll probably look loosey when it comes with the mic. This part looks like it'll just bounce around because it has like a little rubber like strips right here that is holding the mic in place. All you do is you'll just push that back into the rubber, because if not, it'll be out here. As you can see, it looks all loosey and stuff, right? So you'll just push that back in there like that and get that little space between the mic and your filter, and you're all set. All right, so let's get to some sound tests, see what the mic sounds like. I'll probably throw on some music on my phone. It will simulate like someone's talking in the background or whatever. So we'll do that, just throw some music on and see what it sounds like. And also we'll turn on my fan and like my air filter that's right next to me, just to get some white noise and just some annoying noise that you will hear, you know, on the mic as well. So we'll pick all that up and we'll see how clear this mic sounds. All right, bud, so this is the little mic test. As you can see, we are at the computer. I don't have the webcam on right now, but what you guys are seeing is my desktop wallpapers just going on. So I am using the mic right now. No other mic or any other source for my voice to be picked up. So this is what you guys are getting from this mic. This is the quality you're going to get. I'm going to play a little music and I'm going to put it to the side and behind me and see how much the mic does pick up. Now, me and Iconic we're trying to start a gaming channel, but we are in one little bedroom and we both can't have mics. That's what slowed up our channels, because the mic picks up, of course, both of us on a different mic that we've been using, the Razer mic. So I wonder if this is going to be a little bit better. So I'm going to just put something behind me, see if it'll isolate my voice or not. All right, bud, so I got music playing right now, like a little bit of distance away on the side. And from what I can see in the meter, it's picking up a good amount of it. And it's just playing from my phone. So it's not like I'm playing on a speaker or anything like that. Now the issue is, me and Iconic set up, we have two L-shaped desks and we sit back to back. And so she's behind me, so her voice is getting picked up on the Razer mic. So I'm gonna put the music behind me and see what the damage is. So now I have the music behind me, basically where Iconic will sit when we game together normally. And I can see the meter is pumping a little bit more, you know, behind me as well. And I wonder what it's gonna sound like on the playback, but this is what it sounds like with, you know, different things going on behind me and environment wise. I could throw on some fans as well, and we can test that out too. All right, so now we have it. I have a filter that's like right behind me, a big filter. I also have a regular standing fan and a ceiling fan. So we got all that working right now. And let's see how much of that, just all this stuff going on, the white noise it picks up. I see it's jumping in a little bit. It's not going too crazy, which is good. But this is all the sound that is coming from this mic with all these fans and filters on, and the just white noise behind me and just noise behind me in general. So if you guys are looking to stream, do Zoom calls, podcasts with this mic, this is the kind of, you know, you normally want to be in a quiet setting. Everyone knows that. But, you know, if sometimes things happen behind you and around you. So this is what it would sound like. All right, so now with the sound, with the music on my phone playing around, it picked it up really good in both places. It sounded the same, like to the side, to the further wall on my bed, and right behind me, it sounded the same. So basically, if you're gonna have anyone in your room trying to like talk low, whatever, think they're talking low, this mic still might pick them up, honestly. So as we know, if you're gonna be streaming, you're on Zoom calls or doing a podcast, we already know we're gonna be in a silent area anyway. You don't want no one around and really nothing going on. That's why I want to do the fan. So the fan and the filter, it gave it that white noise and you could hear it, but my voice still stuck out more than that, the fan and the filter. But you know, it was still in the background and might bug some people. So if you're in a Zoom call and you got this, you're using this and you got the fan on because it's hot, they're gonna hear that white noise, but I still think it's fine. I still think your voice sits in front of it pretty darn good. Now the quality of my voice when everything was off, when you like you should be when you're streaming, podcasting, or doing a Zoom call, sounded really clear. It sounded great. I really see why it has so much love on Amazon with the reviews it has and all that, because it really did shock me of how crystal clear it sounded. I really thought I was gonna get some of that little roboticness, webcaminess, and it didn't. It just, my voice sounded bam, perfect. So I give it 2 thumbs up when it comes to the sound quality. Definitely $43 and that quality that you're definitely getting your money's worth, I think, with this mic. All right, but so that was my little, you know, quick little unboxing and the little sound test for you guys to hear, you know, different situations with this mic. If you guys want to check this out, I put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that. And like I said, you can see the current price if there's deals, and you can see all those people's reviews and see what they were saying about it. And if you guys like this video, check out these videos right here. I have that new webcam that Anchor sent me. It's pretty cool, pretty neat. Or check out a speaker video, whatever you feel like doing. If you guys like this video as well, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I'll see all of you in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney. This is Wanna Buy It. Peace.